Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Edge backup camera using easy methods. We'll start with the simplest checks. Begin by looking closely at your camera lens for any dirt, mud, or debris that might be blocking the view. A quick, gentle cleaning with a soft cloth and a little glass cleaner can often resolve a blurry or black screen. Also, take a moment to check for any visible physical damage to the camera itself or its surrounding area. Sometimes, a small impact can cause issues. Next, let's dive into the electrical system, starting with your fuses. In many Ford Edge models, you'll want to check fuse number 23, which is a 15-amp fuse located in the main fuse box under the hood on the driver's side. Additionally, look for fuse number 34, a 10-amp fuse, found in the driver's side footwell panel. A blown fuse is a common culprit. Also, visually inspect all accessible wiring connections for the camera and display to ensure they are firmly seated and free from corrosion or damage. If fuses and wiring seem fine, a system reset might be the answer. You can perform a soft reset of your Ford Sync infotainment system by pressing and holding the power button and the Seek Right button simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the screen cycles. For a more thorough reset, try disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal for at least 5 minutes. This can clear many electronic glitches. Also, navigate to your vehicle's display settings and toggle the backup camera options off and then back on. If you've tried these steps and your Ford Edge backup camera is still not working, it might be time for professional assistance. A persistent black screen, an inverted image, or error messages often suggest a deeper issue, possibly a faulty camera module itself. A qualified mechanic can scan your vehicle for diagnostic trouble codes, which provide specific insights into the problem. They can also perform necessary software updates or replace the camera, ensuring your safety and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.